Welcome back to Ultimate Skills Empire. Today we are going to be doing the part 2 of how to create your 3D animation with your smartphone, your Android phone. Alright, so if you did not watch the part 1 of this video, go ahead and watch the part 1 of this video from the channel, because we are going to be starting from where we stopped last time. Alright, just go ahead and watch it and download the premium version of this application from the link I sent in this video description, and also watch the video on how to extract the file from each folder so that you can have access to all the features in this application. All right, so let's get started to today's class. Today we are discussing camera positioning and test plate usage. All right, you are going to learn how to use your test plates and how to put your camera to use. All right, as usual, we'll click on this icon to get started. All right, we click on that point. Because of time, I will not be doing a new video. I will click on the one I've created and use it as a case study. All right, so but if you are not, if you are just joining us today, you can click on new, create new plot to get started, or you go ahead and watch our other video on the channel, part 1 of this video, to get how to do that. All right, so I will open the one that I just created today, few seconds ago. All right, so let us allow it to load. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell notification so that you get access to the video once it is uploaded to the channel. All right, you don't want to miss any of our video. Follow us step by step so you get to know everything that you need to know about 3D animation on your smartphone. All right, so let's go there. So what do we do next? Before now, what you do first, you click on the scene icon right here. Here is the scene icon. Here is the conversation icon. Then the other one here is the what? Is the test plate. So this is the three things that we are going to look at today. All right, so, and this point here is the camera positioning. That is the camera we are using. It is all in the scenes, and it depends on the scene that we are using. All right, so let's allow this to load finish. Know that you can use this without internet connection. All right, you can use this without internet connection and it will work perfectly. So right here, this is the video we did last time. You see, we clicked on that scene icon I pointed before, and we used the cafe. All right, we used what? We used cafe in that scene. See the cafe here? We use cafe. Cafe is right here, and we put with extra. So we want to see the extras right here. This is the extra. This is the extra guys here. All these people are the people that's in the scene. We put a non-attentive. We use non-attentive. And now let us talk about camera positioning, so you get to know about that. All right, this, if you want to click on that camera icon, these things will display. These things here will display. You get that? So now let's get started. You see, it says camera is skipping establishing shot. That is how I set it. So if I click on that place, it will give me options like this. Camera is establishing shots, skipping establishing shots, moving right. If I click on establishing shots, let us see how it will go so you get to understand it. It will wait for like 3 to, let's see. Hello dear. You see that it waited for some seconds before it gets to work. But let us change it to skip establishing shot. If we play it, it will start immediately. Hello dear. You see that? Yes. The difference between the two of them, it's when you say skip establishing shot, it starts to speak when you click on play button instantly. But if you say establishing shot, it will take like 2 to 3 seconds before it starts to act. Now, when you use a moving right, let's see the effect. You will see it will be moving the right from the left to right. Look at. Hello, yeah, you see the effect. When you say it is a moving left, you see the effect of that moving left. Look at the movement. Hello, dear. All right, that is how to position your camera. And again, you see at that point of camera, you see camera is. Let me give you the G so you get to know it. You see, camera is what moving left here from establishing shot, looking at what cash register. So these three things you need to put more interest in them so you can do what set your camera really good. If you click on that, camera is moving left from what, let us change that one from table right anywhere you want to, and at looking at what cash record register, you can change it to somewhere else. Remember, all of these things cannot be the same. They cannot be the same. They all depend on the scene that you are using. Let us now play it. So you see the effect that it will go now with these changes we did it now. Hello, dear. You see the movement of the camera? That is how to establish to do your camera. But let me just use a simple one. I always use skip establishing shots. All right. So you can set any other different type of camera you want to use depending on what you are creating and the motion you want to display. Right now, that is how to set your camera positioning. Now, all this is the what we discussed yesterday, and you note that I have created this thing. You can use different scene to make your work look perfect. Before now, I used a cafe, and I also added another scene, white room. All right, I want only one person to speak. I added the speaker there. All right, it's not a must you add the two people that will be in a scene. You can only use one person to speak. Like now, I added only one person in this white room to speak. All right, so and he has spoken. Then I also added another scene. Also added another scene here. See the scene here is a computer room. Another scene I added. I also added another scene here again. I see added another scene like cafe also. Here also a cafe. So that is how you add scene. Just if you want to add another scene to your animation, just click on this icon here and you add scene. In it, you get that? Just click on that icon and you add a new scene to your what animation. Now we have learned a bit on camera po- positioning. Now let us look at test plate. All right, let us look at test plate right now. So you see this, you want to access your test plate. What do? You click on this A icon. This is the icon for test plate. That's A button. I don't know if you are seeing it well. This is the test plate icon. You click on that. You see I added one right here. I added about three of them. You can add as many as you want to just suit what you want to achieve. You see, I have added many of these test plates. Look at them. These are the test plates I added. There are many of them. So what do? You add the test plate by clicking on that A button there, and you type in what you want to display on the test plate. Look at what I typed in here. I typed in this thing to display. Here is the what how the test plate will be positioned. Here is the voice that will speak out. All right, so you can change the 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 position of this test plate to somewhere else. You can say no, let it be at the left or right or center, but I use center. All right, you can change the voice that will speak by clicking on that voice on that fumble there, and you change the voice to any other things you like. You get that? That is how we do it. So I added another test plate also, so you can use it to add different test plates as you want. This can help you to create a very good animation with different test plates, different scenes and characters. You get that? So you can use this template principle to create a good presentation for anything you want to create. Well, maybe you are a public speaker. You can use template to make your work look more good and beautiful. All right. So now you see, I also created, I added another scene right here, and I created this to that. You get that? I added another scene, and that's right here, FS Rainbow. So you see, in this video alone, I added about five or four scenes to this only animation just to make the work look good. You get that? So that is how you add your scenes. Now let us stop here for today. The next one we're going to be doing, let us see how we can save this video, how to save our video, so that we can access it. You click on this line here, this sorry for that, this point are marked now. Click on that to save your video. All right. So when you click on that, it will take you to render save video file. Then when you click on render, it will render, and you have to save it to your gallery so that you can access it on your phone memory. All right. So that should be the end for today's class. We'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to be discussing other things, or a few other things at this top, like these other things here. We'll talk about them tomorrow. So you guys stay tuned and watch us grow. All right. So this is how you save it and how you use your test plate and camera positions. Thank you so much, and remain blessed. Just subscribe to this channel and you get to know what we are doing. So let me give you a saving style. You click on that icon of save. All right, click on save file and click on without export with subtitles or anyone, and it will render. That is how you save it. Thank you so much.